For one customer, we drew up a one-piece flow assembly line in a closed 360-degree circulation system. It's used to manufacture mechanical products in fluctuating quantities and many versions. As a general contractor, we planned and delivered the entire assembly line as an industrial manufacturing system. Incoming assembly orders are imported from the ERP database automatically and started when registered in the first segment. Specific work instructions are displayed at each workstation. The ELAM system walks each employee through the assembly process, step by step. To make sure the proper components are always used, pick-to-light modules with motion detectors display the required parts. Via the roller conveyors of the Avero workplace system by bot, the individually manufactured workpiece carrier slides into the next assembly segment. Precision monitoring of electric workpieces allows several versions to be manufactured on one workpiece carrier. Through visualization and worker guidance, we can minimize training time drastically and practically eliminate assembly errors altogether. Integrated entry barriers guarantee clear assignment of assembly processes for the product at hand. The specially designed workpiece carrier by ESAR CAD is fixated with clamping rollers at critical points of the assembly line. The greatest advantage of the ELAM system is the flexibility that allows us to make adjustments to products in the assembly sequence by ourselves and implement them immediately. The logistic concept featuring flexible FIFO racks guarantees quick retrofitting of the material feed.